Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today legend returns, sleeker, faster, and more thrilling than ever. This is the 2025 Audi R8 Spyder, the last chapter in Audi's legendary mid-engine supercar lineup. Let's dive into what makes this drop-top beast truly special. The 2025 R8 Spyder carries Audi's signature aggressive styling, but with a sharper, more aerodynamic profile. The wider single-frame grille, laser LED headlights, and larger side air intake screen performance. And at the back, a fully exposed carbon fiber diffuser and OLED taillights that add a futuristic touch. Now, let's talk power. Audi sticks with its glorious 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, pushing out 620 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. That means a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds and a top speed exceeding 205 miles per hour. Power is delivered through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, sending it all to Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system for maximum grip and agility. But numbers only tell half the story. The R8 Spyder is an experience. Drop the roof in just 20 seconds, and that V10's raw, high-revving symphony fills the air. Thanks to magnetic ride suspension, the ride adapts to your every move, delivering track-ready sharpness or long-distance comfort with just the flick of a switch. Inside, it's all about the driver. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit replaces traditional gauges, giving you performance data right in your line of sight. Premium Nappa leather seats, carbon fiber trim, and an upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system ensure luxury matches performance. The 2025 Audi R8 Spyder is not just a car, it's a statement. A final send-off to one of the greatest supercars of our time. With its thrilling V10, drop-top excitement, and timeless design, it's the perfect blend of performance and emotion. So, what do you think? Is this the best R8 ever? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic car reviews.